Start by removing the engine cover. Next up, you're going to remove the factory PCV hose. Remove the bolts at the top of the tensioner. First, connect the fitting to the passenger side valve cover. Then connect the fitting to the snout. This is when you will use the supplied bolts to thread in the bracket to mount the catch can. Notice the orientation of the side fittings. They are left loose so you can adjust them. Do not over tighten, as it can crush the O-ring that seals the vacuum. If you have any questions, you can call us at 331-444-4570. Thank you for your support in your business.